Computer models and calculations are essential, but they can never capture every real-world nuance, so engineers physically test structures to ensure they behave as predicted. Static strength testing proves that real aircraft structures can withstand design loads and safety margins long before passengers ever board. Full-scale testing means taking an actual wing, fuselage, or other major assembly and loading it with forces equal to or greater than what it would see in service. Loads are applied with jacks, weights, or hydraulic actuators that push, pull, or bend the structure in carefully controlled ways to simulate flight and ground conditions. Engineers watch how the structure deforms, checks for cracks, and records strains and deflections to verify it responds within acceptable limits. Some static tests intentionally push the structure past its ultimate load to confirm that it fails safely and predictably, validating both design and safety margins. Before any aircraft leaves the ground, its critical components must physically demonstrate strength through rigorous testing.